Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the ray diagram of lens. First, convex lens. In the mirror, as I have told, the concave mirror has the 6 ray diagram. Similarly, in the convex lens, it also have the 6 ray diagram. Before going to the ray diagram, we'll discuss the nature and size and the positions of the object and image. See, if any object will be placed at 2f here, if any object will be placed as 2f, then always image will be also formed as 2f. Then size of the object and size of the image will be same. As soon as we are moving the object in between f and 2f, then the image will be beyond the 2f. If the image will be beyond the 2f, then size of the image will be enlarged compared to the object. Again, if the object I keep beyond 2f, then image will come in between f and 2f. Then size of the image will be smaller than size of the object. Then three conclusion what I have told. If the object will be placed as 2f, image will be also formed as 2f. Size of the object and size of the image will be same. If the object in between f and 2f, image will be beyond the 2f. Size of the image will be enlarged compared to the object. If the object will be beyond 2f, image will be in between f and 2f, then size of the image will be smaller than size of the object. This is the three rule. But as soon as we'll keep the object at principal focus and in between optical center and principal focus, then another rule. This point I will tell you afterwards. Next you come the real and virtual. If the object will be one side of the lens and image will be from opposite side of the lens, always they will be real image. And if the object and image will form on same side of the lens, then it will be the virtual image. Then I have told you the size and the real and virtual. Next point will be the when I will keep the, it will be inverted or erect. Which case it will be inverted and which case it will be erect. Always a simple method you keep in your mind. All real image are inverted and all virtual image are erect. So I have explained you the position, the size, the nature of the ray diagram. Now let us start the first ray diagram when the object is at 2f. This is the object I have placed at 2f. One ray will be parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass through the principal focus. Second ray will pass from the optic center. As you know, if the ray will pass from the optic center, without changing the directions, it will be moved. Both the refracted ray where meets, from here if we draw, then it is a size of the image. Then you see the size of the object. In this case, the size of the object and size of the image will be same. And see, one side the object, another side is image. So it is real. And I have told you real image is always inverted. Now if the questions will come, draw a ray diagram in convex lens when the object placed at 2f, then this is the ray diagram of convex lens when the object placed as 2f. If the object placed as 2f, image will be also formed as 2f. Size of the object and size of the image will be same. It is real and inverted. Next class I will explain you more ray diagram. So Today your homework is read the rules of the ray diagram. Thank you.